this is my channel. I am so excited because I have my favorite accessory box. It's Luxury Diva. And this is a monthly subscription box. You can sign up for it monthly, and I think it's like $35. You can sign up for it quarterly, every 6 months, annually. I sign up for it every quarter, so I think I pay $30 for it, and I absolutely love it. So if you are new to my channel, I don't know how you found me, but I'm glad you did. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. I was going to use the wrong finger there. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So let's get into it. Now with this box, I did cheat. I did look at several other YouTubers unbox it, and I was so impressed with what they got. So I am going to get in it. They put in a price sheet with everything that comes in the box and the value of it. They also have a little note from your stylist, and my stylist is Marina. I think I've had her from the very beginning, and I think there is a treat in there, and they're my favorite. They're the conversation hearts, but they hurt my teeth now. You know, when you get older, you can't munch on these as much as you used to. But again, I'm so excited to see what's in here. It comes very nicely wrapped. I do have a link below, so if this is something you like and you want to try it, I believe it's like $5 off your first box. So you just need to try this at least once and you'll get hooked. So the first thing that I see is a set of 3 makeup bags, and they do come in different versions because I have seen those. So there's this size, and there's this size, and then there's this size. So those are super nice to travel with. And then I did see these, and I'm so glad I got this color. I'm just kind of a beigey black with jackets and stuff like that. I will wear this when we go out on the side-by-sides. Now I know people wear it like different ways. They wear it like towards the front. I know I didn't wear that right. Or they'll wear this thing towards the back, but I use it just to kind of cover up my ears, but I think it's adorable. So I'm glad I got that. Oh, I guess I should give you prices. So the makeup bag set of 3 is $20, which sounds like a very reasonable price. Now, one thing about Luxury Divas I give them credit for is they don't jack up their prices. Some of these boxes, like you'll get a little tube of something and they'll say the retail is like $100 or $150. The prices that Luxury Diva gives are usually much what you would pay for them. And this cute little caramel hand knit wide headband retails for $18. So very reasonable for this, and this was handmade. So loving that. And the next thing is jewelry. I mean, it is Valentine's Day. And I already know I'm going to love it. It is the Beauty Creations Irresistible, no, it's not that, duh. Angel Wing Sterling Silver Plated Heart Necklace for $24. And you know I love me my wings. So this is what it looks like. Make sure it's focusing in there. And what Harley girl does not like her wings? As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I have my wings on now. If you can see that. So, and this is like such a perfect length. So this will definitely get its use. And I guess this is what I was talking about. Did I say how much that was? Yeah, that was $24. Beauty Creations Irresistible Eyeshadow Palette. This is what it looks like. I need another eyeshadow palette. What is it? Like a hole in the head? Is that what the phrase used to be that my mom would say? And it's really nice packaging. And very nice colors. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'm going to keep it or when I would use it, but I do like the colors in this palette. So very versatile. And this palette was $17, so very reasonable for an eyeshadow palette. And the next thing, and I don't wear this type of earrings. They've got kind of gold and pearl, so I will not be keeping these. They look really nice. They're the dangling pearl gold earrings, and they retail for $20. And this is what the picture looks like. So they are pretty, but again, they're not my style. So I will be gifting these. And oh, I saw this. I think everybody got one of these in their box, so I don't think they're surprised, but it's a pen that I can't remember how they opened it, but how cute. Oh, I guess you don't open it that way. Leave it to me. Okay, girls. Oh, there it is. So it's a pen. It's super cute. So again, everybody got that in their box. And then there is this shawl. It's the leopard printed pashmina wrap shawl for $20. I am not going to keep this. This is something that I wouldn't wear. And I know a YouTuber that would probably wear this. So Kayla, if you want this shawl, please send me an email with your address and this shawl is yours. You might already have this. I'm not sure if you get this box or not. It's almost like it smells. It smells like, I don't know, it smells good. So, and that retails for $20. And so I thought this was a great box. I definitely like this and I love the color of it. Makeup bags were very nice. Again, the earrings, they're just not my style. And a palette. And this necklace is just so me. So I will definitely be wearing that. Pen's adorable. The man will probably eat those up. So the retail price of this box is $117 and I paid $30 for it. So you never know what you're gonna get in the box. And also on their website, you can buy these, like the scarf and stuff, you can buy them in different colors. I think there's different necklaces, there's different earrings. So you can go on their website and get the different options as well, which I think is super, super nice. So Luxury Divas, you did it again. So please leave me comments below. Let me know what you thought of this box. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.